Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple tomato sauce. So all you're going to do is you are going to finely dice your onion, so remove any peel first, then put some slices in and then cut it across to get your fine dices, and you're going to prepare some garlic, so you're just going to crush and remove the peel and then finely chop into small pieces. You're then going to heat that in a pan with some olive oil, so you're just going to heat your onions to start with, and you're wanting them on a medium heat so that they are softening rather than browning. Once they're softened and they've released their juices, you can add in your garlic. You don't want to add that too soon, otherwise it'll end up bitter and burnt and affect the flavour of your sauce. So stir that in, and then you're going to add in your tinned tomatoes along with some herbs. I'm using oregano and some seasoning. Then you're going to bring that to the boil and allow that to simmer for a minimum of 20 minutes. The longer you simmer it for, the more it develops that flavour, and then you have your tomato sauce ready.